Hello guys, welcome to Ikhra Technology. So today we are going to solve some task of Python enums or as we call as enumerations. Okay, so let's get started. Here's our very first question. Create an enum for traffic signals. Assign them values like red is equals to 1, yellow 2 and green 3. So here constant values of traffic signals is given that red is 1, yellow 2 and green is 3. We have to take a input from the user which a light on print the message like stop for red, get ready for yellow and go for green respectively. Okay, so we have to do this task by performing the enum. So let's start doing it. First of all, we have to import a module of enum. So we will write from enum will import enum. Okay, so here we have done with the module. Now we will define the traffic light enum. So first of all, for defining the traffic light enum, we will make a class. We will make a class as name traffic light and we will pass enum in that. Okay, so as the constant values of red, yellow and green is given, we will write it. So we will write red equals to 1 and yellow equals to 2 and green equals to 3. Okay, so here we have done with. Now we will just take the user input. Okay, so we'll take the user input as a variable light input equals to input and we will write in the input enter the traffic light color. Okay, so what is the traffic light color? It is either going to be red, yellow or green. So red, yellow or green. Here we are done with. Now simply we'll trim it. So for trimming we use a strip function, and for lowering if we write the input in capital form it will lower it, so we'll write lower function. Okay, so we have done with taking the input from the user. Now we will determine the message based on the input. So for determining the message based on input we will take if else statements. Okay, so we will write if, and what is a variable name? Light input equals to red. Okay, if it is red then it should print stop. Okay, and elif if light input equals to yellow then it should print go ready or get ready. Okay, and elif light input equals to green, then it should print go. So here and lastly we will take else statement. So else we will print invalid input, or we will write is that invalid input. Okay, so here we have done with the question. Now we will just save and run the program, and you can see the result as the output is saying us to enter the traffic light color red, yellow or green. If we enter red, here it is showing stop, and if we enter again, if we run the program and if you enter yellow, here you are showing get ready, and if you again run it and take the input as ABC, then it is showing as invalid input. Okay, so I hope you might have understood this question. Thanks for watching the video.